Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So as usual, we'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll find out important key level for the next week. Along with that, we'll discuss some important Q2 results update came in the last week and some important stock market update. So to know the Nifty Bank levels and updates, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update and indices weekly levels update. So first of all, let's discuss some important Q2 results came in the last week. The HUL, the ITC Hotel, Dr. Reddy, discussing the HUL result, which has posted the neutral results. Yes, it has beaten the estimates also somewhere, but it has posted a neutral result. You can see on your screen that the profit is up by 3% Y on Y from 2025 to 2026 I'm discussing, and it has profit is at around 2700 from 2612 last year, and even revenue is also up by slightly, means it was earlier 15,000 500 something, and now again it has at same like 15,600 around. EBITDA is down by on by from 3,647 to 3,500 around. It is down by 2.3%, and even the margin is also down to 22.9, around 23% from 23.5%. So it is also down. So EBITDA and margin both are down, but the revenue and profit is slightly up, not that good. And yes, we can say this is a overall neutral result and not that good. And if you see, they have a board approved the interim dividend also of 19 rupees per share. So 19 रुपीज पर शेयर का डिविडेंड भी कंपनी ने अपने शेयर होल्डर्स को दिया है. Even ITC hotels also posted their Q2 results, and even they have posted 70% profit up from last Q2. So they have posted a very good profit. 70% up is not a small thing, and even their margin is also up. They have posted a very good, robust result, I can say, ITC hotel. And along with that, Dr. Reddy has also posted result, and so many companies has posted their result, and I'm discussing the important result. You can go through in detail with all these Q2 results. Even Reliance, I already discussed Reliance, and SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, all these banks have posted a very good Q2 results in last week. And even you all know that because of this Diwali vacation, there was 2 3 days there was no Q2 results. So after Diwali, again the Q2 results updates has started. The important news of Tata Motor demerger record date was 14th. So abhi that the Tata Motor is trading after record date, this after demerger. So you might be seeing that TMLCV stocks in your demat account, but there is not showing any price of that TMLCV. I guess you might be getting what I want to say, that the demat account is showing the TMLCV who are holding the Tata Motor share. So but uska price it's yet not showing. We have to wait for that. It may show later in next month also, maybe in next month. But abhi Tata Motor ka share is like showing as TMPV on stock market, as it is the name has been changed from Tata Motor to TMPV, Tata Motor Passenger Vehicle, as I already discussed in separate video of this demerger, all the things, information, update, and analysis also, that the Tata Motor has been divided in two company, from TMPV and TMLCV, commercial vehicle and passenger vehicle. So Tata Motor is already showing on stock market as a TMPV, Tata Motor Passenger Vehicle, and TMLCV who are holding Tata Motor is showing in their demat account the TMLCV, but price is not showing. It may come in next month also, we will see. And this was important update of the stock in news. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty Bank chart, and I will discuss what I discussed in last week. I will even give the mm, last week video in I button. You can see I have made the similarly means same chart, and show I have shown that this rounding bottom breakout happened last week. If you remember, this was my neckline, and here it was the breakout I have discussed in last video. And you can see this was the breakout even with the follow up candle, the confirmation candle also, but going little bit upside till here of 58,500, which I discussed, 550 around 77 exactly. If I'll say 577, 58,577, and I discussed that to go to 60,000, to reach to 60,000, it the Nifty Bank needs to break this 58,000, and even close above this level 58,000. So 58,000 could touch करते 58,500, I mean. So 58,500 around touching it, the profit booking happened, and here it quickly took the reversal to this level, and it was the, if you see on the chart, you can see clearly it is the retest level, which I already discussed, that it may go to the 58,000 and may retest also. So I can say it is possible that it is retesting this level of 57,600 around this level. I am talking about this level, which is 57,600 exactly. And 57,600 is the retesting level. And if you see today's candle, it has touched the low of 57,500 also, but did not close below this level. So it has closed above the level of 57,600, and it has closed to 57,700 or exactly, yes, 57,700. तो 600 के ऊपर 57,600 के ऊपर ही क्लोज हुआ है, which I find it is a retest level, but we never know what is going to happen in next week. We need to watch on Monday that this the Nifty Bank is breaking this retesting level and going beyond this, or it is taking reversal from here and going to take a journey of upside of 60 to 60,000. We need to watch this in next week. But this, after seeing this two, I guess, 1 2 3 4 5, this is the whole week. There was 2 days Diwali holiday. One was the Muhura trading day, and this is the Muhura trading day, and 22nd was holiday, and 23rd 24th, this was falling down from here to here. 23rd and 24th, this is the 2 days candle, and 22nd was holiday, and this was 20 ये जो Muhura trading का दिन था, and this was the last 20th, the Diwali day. So this whole week there was 2 days holiday, only 3 days was working day, where the Nifty Bank was taking downside. Okay, so overall we can say that last week nothing positive happened in Nifty Bank. Yes, last to last week, definitely it has shown a good upside, given a breakout also. But I already discussed that we need to watch this confirmation candle, and we need to watch that it is taking a retesting level or not. So now we can say, now I can update that yes, it is retesting definitely, but still we need to watch that retesting level. From here it is taking reversal or not, or it is going down. If it is going breaking this level and going down, the next very important level, which is psychological level also, which is 57,000, you can see here this line is a 57,000 is a very important crucial psychological support. And if it is not breaking If it's not breaking this level and retesting and going upside, so again it may touch this 58,580 या 600 लेवल. यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस फेस कर सकता है थोड़ा बहुत, एंड देन इट मे lead to the 60,000 of 60,000 level. But need to watch. Abhi we will not talk about 60,000 short term. Next week only you need to watch this level of 58,580. And then if it's breaking, अगर ये ब्रेक कर देता है निफ्टी बैंक नेक्स्ट वीक में किसी भी दिन, it may go to toward the 60,000. Overall you might have understood that what all this chart I want to describe is saying that this rounding bottom breakout from this neckline and then retesting, and then now we need to watch this important level of 57,600, which is very important, and then we can decide this breakout is sustaining or not. Okay, so abhi sustaining pe ek question mark hai. I have discussed the important Q2 results update and Tata Motor demerger update, and I have analyzed the Nifty Bank chart in detail. So I will repeat the Nifty Bank level for you all again. The Nifty Bank important support 57,600 and then 57,000, and important resistance is 58,600. Breaking this 58,600, definitely it will take it to 60,000, which we need to watch in next week. This was Nifty Bank analysis for next week and levels also. I'm going to post Nifty 50 analysis also and levels with the global market update on Sunday. So please watch Sunday video also for Nifty 50 levels and the global market, and like and share the video and subscribe the channel also for indices level update and stock and news update. Signing off.